Hi everyone, Matthew here at AAWeatherWatch, taking a look at the weather through the course of the coming week, Monday the 29th through to Friday the 2nd of June. The weather this week particularly changeable and varied. There's quite a lot of uncertainty over the details through the second half of the week. As ever, the full details on the second half of the week will be available on Wednesday. Satellite images shows an area of cloud moving northwards across the country. This is bringing quite a wet start, particularly across some central and northern areas, but it is an improving picture through the rest of Monday, with drier and brighter conditions following from the west within this region of clearer skies here. However, another weather system, this region of cloud, is then forecast to approach on Monday night through into Tuesday, bringing a wet start, particularly across central and northern areas again, but then this clearing away to lead to some drier and brighter weather through Tuesday afternoon. And this little period of weather through the course of Monday and Tuesday clearly highlights what will be a very changeable period of weather this week. Little risk of any very warm and humid and summer-like weather, which was in evidence last week, returning, but equally not a washout by any means. So let's take a look at the weather through the rest of Monday, and there is outbreaks of rain and showers continuing to move northwards, particularly across some central and northern areas of the country. This bringing again quite a wet start to the new working week. However, if I progress through the sequence, you can see those rain and showers continue to clear away in association with an area of low pressure, and then through the middle and latter half of the afternoon in particular, it is an improving picture with brighter sunny spells developing and just variable amounts of cloud. So a reasonable end today, and certainly a better end to Monday than the way the day will start. However, there's the next weather system approaching from the west, this region of precipitation here, all associated with an area of low pressure. So through the course of Monday evening and through overnight into Tuesday, that weather system approaches. So by the time we get to the early hours of Tuesday and through into Tuesday morning, there will be another weather system bringing some rain and showers, particularly across the northern and western areas of the country. So a wet start here and quite breezy too, and feeling quite cool in the wet weather as well. However, progressing through the rest of Tuesday, and in keeping with this changeable theme, you can see through the course of Tuesday afternoon, the wet weather clears away, and then a much better period of weather through the middle and latter half of the day, with bright or sunny spells through again Tuesday afternoon and into Tuesday evening. Tuesday, whilst pleasant enough in the sunshine, it will overall be the coolest day of the week. Now, through Tuesday evening and overnight, and a little ridge of high pressure builds across the country. You can see that in association with this little bump in the isobars, these black lines. So it is a quiet and calm night on Tuesday and through into Wednesday, and at the moment Wednesday will be probably the best day of the week. A fine day across the country, some variable amounts of cloud, but otherwise relatively light winds, and again it will be very, very pleasant indeed in some sunshine through the course of the day. However, as you can see, there is another weather system approaching from the west. This is likely to bring some outbreaks of rain and showers, along with quite windy conditions to more northern and western areas of the country, particularly the Atlantic coastal areas, overnight on Wednesday and into Thursday. And at the moment, as we move through Thursday, a weather system is forecast to continue to progress eastwards, bringing quite a cloudy day and a breezy day, with again some rain and showers. But there is some uncertainties over the details for the end of the week, but as ever, these will be addressed in the midweek update on Wednesday. At the present time, we end the working week on Friday with essentially a mixture of sunshine and showers, but there is a low possibility that some longer spells of rain may well arrive from the west. But as things stand, this is the weather chart for around about the middle of the day on Friday to end the week with a mixture again of sunshine and showers. So let's take a look at the temperatures now through the rest of Monday. Highs generally range between around about 14 and 17 degrees Celsius, which is very close to average for late May. Certainly not feeling too bad in some sunshine through the rest of the day. Overnight and through into Tuesday, temperatures probably no lower than around about 8, 9 or 10 degrees. As I previously indicated, Tuesday will likely be the coolest day of the week. Highs no more than 12, 13 or 14 degrees. And then Tuesday night and through into Wednesday will be quite a chilly night, particularly rurally. Temperatures down to perhaps just 4, 5 or 6 degrees Celsius, but as ever always higher around coastal areas. Through into Wednesday, and despite the chilly start on Wednesday, temperatures will recover, and as I've indicated, Wednesday the best day of the week, feeling very pleasant in the afternoon sunshine and dry weather, highs around about 15, 16 or maybe 17 degrees Celsius. And then through to the end of the week at the moment, again some uncertainties over the temperatures, lows around about 8, 9 or 10, but temperatures by day very near to the average for late May and early June. As you can see here, temperatures through into the 1st of June on Thursday, highs around about 16 or 17 degrees, particularly across inland areas, which again is near to average for the early part of June. So let's summarise it in our weekly weather summary. Monday the 29th, rain and showers clearing northwards through the rest of the day, leaving behind drier and brighter conditions through the afternoon and evening, with some sunny spells, and not feeling too bad this afternoon in some sunshine too. Tuesday morning, rain and showers clearing away, particularly across some central and northern areas, but then through the rest of the day, an improving scenario once again with drier and brighter conditions and with some sunny spells, but Tuesday probably the coolest day of the week. And then from Wednesday onwards through to the end of the week, the changeable theme will continue. Probably the best day of the week, Wednesday, mainly dry and settled with some brighter sunny spells and certainly feeling pleasant. But thereafter, Thursday and Friday, remaining changeable with a further risk of some rain and showers at times. But again, as I've indicated, all the details will be made available on Wednesday for the second half of the week. So that's all the details for the forthcoming week. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back with you on Wednesday.